Keep it lit. Pretty bitch music. Big mama, I'm a shit talker. I see him copy every look, I got a few dollars. Every check I deposit got a few commas. Fuck getting paid off the blade, you can't use. I'm a top dollar bitch, but I'm far from a Gucci. Pretty bitch music. Trending off a selfie. Chanel me off the top shelf, please. Show him I know how to throw it back if he could pitch. We can switch, I could be the 9 and you could be the 6. Give me shoes, give me jewels, put a Slurpee on my wrist. Got a zoom in the afternoon, boy, you gotta dig. My baby hair's laid. Fendi frame, the Hermes mermaid. Pretty face, no waist, first plate. I'd be a billionaire if I sold my sex tape. Pretty bitch music. Pretty bitch music. Pretty bitch music.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video. I don't even know how to get on here. I feel like so weird without the baby in me. It's like once you have the baby, your life changed or something. As y'all know, my brother is in the Army and he is conditioning his body right now. I'm just cooking up a little something that he has shown me. I start my meal prepping tomorrow, which is Monday. Today's Sunday. So right now I'm indulging in snacks with the Pop-Tart until that start tomorrow. So tonight's my last night to cut up. But I'm gonna show y'all what I have so far as the setup. Mind you, note, I do not have, being that I've just moved in my house, I do not have a knife, which is the biggest part about this because I have to cut up vegetables. I don't have a knife, so I have to use a plastic knife. So I have peppers that I'm gonna cut up. So peppers and onions. I got a sweet potato. I'm gonna bake this in the oven, cut it in half. I've got 2 regular potatoes that I'm gonna probably bake. I'm gonna bake these and it's gonna be like just plain baked potatoes. Broccoli, florets, and the cauliflower. That's gonna get cooked on top of the stove, and it's gonna go into separate dishes. And then I've got the chicken breast. So just plain chicken breast. And then of course on the side of what I'm cooking, well, the peppers are gonna go in this to give it flavor. So I don't have to use but so much seasoning suggested by my brother. So the peppers are gonna go inside of this, which is gonna be basically just, my grain. Why do I have so many potatoes? Because potatoes aren't really healthy. I have these because I'm not trying to lose weight in the back end, if you know what I mean. I'm trying to keep the little back end that my daughter did give me. I ain't trying to lose all of that. So I'm gonna I added the potatoes in myself. I am going to add this into it as well. So I think 2 of the containers will have these smoked sausages and 2 will have chicken breast because my kids are eating some of the chicken tonight. So I'm just gonna add this into the equation. I didn't really eat. I ate but 1 meal today, for real. I ate 1 time today, and that shows that my daughter is out of my stomach because I'll be eating 100 times in a day. I just want to get healthy and eat and put the right things in my body, and this is the way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and let's get started.